Yo, what's up everyone? Hope you're all living your best life today. Before we dive into the tutorial, quick heads up, Roblox devs are seriously cracking down on sites that drop free shaders. So, the one I'm about to show you might get taken down any minute. But for now, in 2026, it's still up and running. So, you're good to go. And for everyone worried about getting banned for using shaders, chill, I got you. I've tested this method myself and it's 100% safe. No bans, no warnings, you're all good. Alright, let's get it. First things first, open up Roblox. Pick the game you want to use shaders on. For me, it's MM2. Right-click the play button and hit inspect. Then open the network tab and refresh the page. Scroll up, right-click the game name and hit copy and copy all as PowerShell. Now head over to the website in the description. Scroll down and paste everything into the box. Hit start process and boom, shader should start loading. Just give it a sec. Big shout out to everyone who's been watching. Hope this guide helped you get those shaders up and running in 2026. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.